does it mean to be kind? What does it mean to be kind? Does it mean a type of category? No. Does it mean paying with something other than money? No. Does it mean being thought of something? No. Being kind means smiling at the new student in class, giving someone a compliment, holding the door open for someone else, sticking up someone for who is being built. So sticking up something that something is built. Sticking up this flower because he's gonna build it. Seeing the best in people even when they are struggling to be their best. Seeing people who is helping someone is good. Forgiving someone who has hurt you. Forgiving her because they hurt you or something. Helping an injured or lost animal. 2. Being patient even when you are in a hurry. Saying please, thank you, you're welcome, and I'm sorry. Celebrating difference in others. Encouraging someone who needs support. Picking up trash that isn't yours. Allowing yourself to make and learn from your mistakes. Noticing when someone is sad and taking the time to understand why and why. Caring for those less furniture than you. Fortunate than you are. Being kind means the courage to treat others the way you treated. So show your friends what it means to be kind, and spread the word. If we can call all kind to each other and to ourselves, our world will be more loving, caring, and harmonious. You don't have to read this. So we're done with this page. The end. I don't know what is this. Guess what? You see this global? This is where I live. I mean, that's my school. What does it mean to be global? Global is my school, okay, guys? Global is my school. If you just search Global Academy, that's my school. Just search it. Let me show you. Global Academy. Mama, what is
No, you lying. Good. Get out of here.
Global Academy. Just search Global Academy.
Okay. That's probably another word. Give me 1 second.
Global Academy. See? I can watch every one. Okay, so this is Global Academy. It's closed because of the COVID-19. COVID-19. Okay, so Global Academy recorded as closed this incorrectly closed. Please report it. The phone number. You can go to this school too. It's fun. Me? It's fun there. Me? Someone else? The lowest grade at kindergarten. This is the best. This school is the best. You can go there, and then sometimes you can see me. Let's see what is. This school has most caring teachers. It is very bad with children, and the food is cold and horrible. Where is she gonna go? This school has very nice teachers. Like nice teachers. There's first grade until until.
She's gonna call me.
She's not calling. Look, she's not calling. It's until 8th grade. I can hear that. It's until 8th grade. So Global Academy, kindergarten to 8th grade. But you can, and then you can go to high school. Wait, someone sent me a photo. I can hear that. Someone sent me a message. Stop. Wait. Mamuka. Mamisa. We can spend what you get we spent most of our time, but we still have time. So someone texted us. We have no time for this. And then, you know, the Global Academy is closed, and you know what they do? If you want to go to there, just go to Seesaw. This is our. I mean, like, you know why? There's no Seesaw. Seesaw. So if Seesaw, they do Seesaw this time. You know why? Because Seesaw. Because there's coronavirus, COVID-19. It's closed. That's closed.
Once he's doing his thing. No, you didn't even finish nothing. Look.
Okay.
Look.
Okay, and then this they do Seesaw, but do not get into the account. I'm gonna stop this video now. I will stop this video. Wait. Yeah, I'm a student. Now I'm gonna click on I'm a student. This is how it looks like. Wait, I'm gonna pause this video so you cannot see what I couldn't get in. Here, hey guys again, and it's me. Now here, this is what they look like, but you have your own account. If you want to get in here, just ask the teacher until next year. Next year, you can go to Global Academy website, okay? No, yeah. First, go to Global Academy, search the map, and then ask them if you can, if whatever grade you are in, but you have to be 5 years old to be in kindergarten, to be first grade until 8th grade. So this, and then you're gonna have Seesaw at school, not at home. Now I am at home, okay? Please record yourself. Okay. Yeah, you have teachers. This is the first grade one, and you're not in first grade. You could, if you want to be in first grade, you have to be 6 or 7. if you wanna be in
Ano, kadyo.
kindergarten 5, you have to be 5 or 6. Okay?
Akin hindi.
And
Basta the application ni Dura.
and bye guys. See you on more. See more whatever. Bye guys. See you on the YouTube more on some epic. And bye guys.